HVAC problems. Summer's almost here, guys. So today I want to go over some things that can save you some money. Definitely some things to be looking out for as summer gets closer. This is the most typical thing we get called on at the beginning of summer. As it starts to heat up, the first thing that's going to happen is your capacitors will go out. It's no big secret. This is a very common part. It's inside your heat pumps outside or your AC. It's also sometimes, if you got a PSC motor inside, you'll also have a capacitor on your indoor blower. All right, so checking that is very easy. I'm going to show you how to use this meter. All right, first thing you would need to do is obviously purchase a meter. So we're going to switch this to MFD, which is microfarads. All right, so we're going to look at this fan. All right, and this is a 12.5 microfarad. Real simple. Lead to lead, we want 12.5 or higher. And as you can see here, it's good. Okay. Now this one is called a run capacitor. This is the most typical one you're going to see in your outdoor unit. So for this one to read it, we're going to have to read from common to Herm and common to fan. Common's real easy to find on these. Sometimes it'll be labeled with a C. If you can't see a label, look for the one with 4 prongs. All right, but we'll do the same thing, same process. We'll go from common to Herm, and you'll see that we have 30. Okay, and then we'll go common to fan, and we have five, excuse me. So we know we got a good run capacitor, good fan capacitor. Also, if you're not gonna use an HVAC contractor, you're gonna purchase these online yourself. A lot of people do. I don't make any money off of these, but if I wanted to tell you a quality product that you're gonna be glad that you bought, costs a little bit more money up front, but there's a reason for that. It's made in America. I would recommend purchasing these AMRAD capacitors. Real simple. I don't want to waste too much time in this video, show you how they work, but we could also do a video on that later if that's something you guys would like to see. But they make run capacitors, and they also make fan capacitors. Okay, so we're going to get back to this meter because it's the biggest thing I want to show you guys in this video on how to use it. So I've already showed you how to look at microfarads on this, how to test your capacitor. And now I'm going to teach you how to read volts. Okay, so we'll just switch this to VAC, alternate current. Okay, and then we'll go to our contactor, which we know is hot, and you'll see we got 213 volts, which is good. Okay, now another thing you want to do, maybe you want to read the amps. You know, it's important to know the amp draw. The amp draw can tell you if you're having a problem, you know, with your compressor, your fan, if it's drawing too high of amps, etc. So same thing, we will go to volts, and then I will hit select, and then we'll put that around it. And now you can see the amps that this thing is drawing. You can do this on the leg for your compressor, the leg on your fan, etc. Same thing, we'll check these amps. So there you go. Okay, so another thing this thing will do, which is pretty cool, you can also read temperature with this. You would have to have the adapter for it, which I don't currently have in my hand, but you simply go to FC and you unplug these. All right, now we're going to switch that to temperature, and now you see we got a place to plug that in. Since that's something y'all would like to see in the future, comment on it and I'll show that as well, but it's pretty simple. Okay. Again, if you're going to do it yourself, I would go AMRAD. They last the longest. If your HVAC contractor puts these in, they also come with a 5-year warranty. It's one of the only manufacturers that I'm aware of that offers that. But something to think about. That's all for today's video. Thank y'all for watching and tuning in. If there's other things, subjects that you guys would like for me to hit on, just comment them, and thanks again for watching.